Hello and welcome back to Biker Stuff. Today is the last day I will be removing parts from the KM90 frame. So sit back and watch me strip. I'm not too sure what is involved in removing the engine from the bike, but I'm sure if I undo everything it will fall out. Here goes. As you've just read, the radio mic receiver battery went flat. Oh well, these things happen. Let me talk you through the next couple of stages. Here I am loosening the two front bolts, and then I'll remove the lower one. At this point, the fuel inside the engine started leaking out. Now that shouldn't happen, these are only the mounting bolts. Once I get to split the case, I will know more. That's the lower bolt out. Now I'll move to the back on the same side and do the same. The lower bolt here is around the other way, so I had to go to the other side to remove the nut. Then the big surprise. The foot peg frame needed removing first, as the right peg was in the way, as I am telling you here. Although the whole frame and engine wanted to join me, I managed to get all four bolts out fairly easily, even though I couldn't see very well. That's the lower bolt out. Now I can remove the top bolt. The top front bolt is the last one. Now, after a quick camera position change, I can lift the engine out. Yay! It's out. Hopefully you can hear me now. I'm sorry about that. I've no idea what happened, but it wasn't my fault. Next, I have to remove the steering. I know these bikes have loose ball bearings inside rather than retainers or taper bearings. So I will put a tub underneath to collect whatever falls out. I know they need replacing. Watch this. I'll start by removing the steering head, then have a look what is underneath and see what tools I need to take the bearings apart and to lower the stem. As I suspected, it needs a C-spanner. It isn't even tight. This will be really easy. Later I will drift out the stem bearing outers before I send the frame off to be powder coated. That leaves the battery box and the wiring loom. Let's see how easily they want to come away from the frame. As you can see, this almost took the regulation 8 hours. There you go. I hope you enjoyed my 3-part strip of this lovely Kawasaki KM90. The jobs I will do next will be to prepare parts that need sending off for powder coating or chroming. Then I can take a look inside the engine and see what condition it's in and replace whatever needs it. So please come back for that. Thank you for watching. I know you liked it, so tell your friends, and I'll see you here next time on Biker Stuff. I hope you liked that. I have selected another video for you. Here or you can look at an entire playlist. If you want to subscribe, click here.